where to download BRAdmin Professional 4 and how to install it. Not sure what BRAdmin is? Take a look at our introduction video. There is a link to it on the screen and in the description. Let's start with where to download it. Open a web browser and go to support.brother.com. Unless you have visited us before, you may be directed to this landing page asking you to select your region. Since this video is coming to you from the United Kingdom, I will select Europe, followed by the United Kingdom. From here, click the Downloads button, and then select or search for one of the Brother devices you need BRAdmin to manage. One of my devices is the MFCL 9670 CDN. I don't need to type its full model name, so we'll only search for 9670. Select your Windows operating system. I am using Windows 11. Click the OK button. There are many downloads to choose from. Use the scroll bar to find and click BRAdmin Professional 4. To start the download, click the Agree to the EULA and Download button, which should automatically trigger the download. If it does not, click this link. Now that you have downloaded BRAdmin, I can now show you how to install it. Run the BRAdmin installer, and then select your language. I will select English. Click the OK button. Click the Next button. You will notice that you cannot click the Next button again until you accept the terms in the license agreement. Click the Next button. Again, you will not be able to click the Next button again until you accept the terms in the privacy policy. Click the Next button. And again here, click the Install button. BRAdmin will then install. Click the Finish button. You will now be asked if you want to share some usage information with Brother. It is completely optional. However, the more usage information we receive, the more we can make improvements to BRAdmin and provide you with the benefits. I will agree to opt in and make a few selections. You are not committed to this and can opt out later. Click the OK button. BRAdmin should automatically open and begin searching for devices. Once it has found your devices, BRAdmin is now ready. If you want to opt in or out of the usage information sharing service with Brother, click the settings icon, and then click the Application Improvement Program tab, where you can make these changes. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it useful. If you did, please consider giving it a like.